Canandaigua traffic, Cherokee 5002 Tango, departing 13 straight out departure, then to the east, Canandaigua. So I'm going to put in a little bit of left aileron, and we got 13, and gauges are still green, so we'll bring the power up. Gauges are still green, stay on the center line, airspeed coming alive. 60. We got positive climb, takeoff speed, or airspeed is good. Rochester Approach, Cherokee 5002 Tango, VFR request.
We're 500 Tango, Rochester Approach, Rochester altimeter 3060, say request.
Cherokee 5002 Tango is 5 miles east of Canandaigua, looking for a VFR flight following to Syracuse at 3,500.
Cherokee 0 Tango, Roger, stand by, flight following.
How am I supposed to write and see at the same time?
Cherokee 500 Tango, squawk 7422 and say altitude.
Altitude will be 3,000, current altitude 3,500, that'll be cruising altitude, and the squawk is 7422 for 02 Tango.
For 500 Tango, radar contact 6 miles east of Canandaigua Airport.
This one is the initial, but because we're on flight following, they might just put us...
For 5002 Tango, contact Syracuse Approach 126.12.
126.12, Cherokee 02 Tango, have a good night.
Thanks.
That's pretty quick. I didn't expect it quite that quickly, yeah.
Who's that calling Syracuse Approach?
25148, about 20 miles to the east, so with information kilo, requesting 3 stop and goes.
Number 2514 Yankee, squawk 0437.
0437, 2514 Yankee.
Syracuse Approach, Cherokee 5002 Tango, level 3,500.
Cherokee 5002 Tango, Syracuse Approach, altimeter 3062, advise when you have information kilo.
Roger, we'll pick up the ATIS here in just a moment, 02 Tango. Approach Cherokee 5002 Tango has kilo.
Cherokee 02 Tango, thank you. Can you expect runway 28?
Expecting 28 for 02 Tango.
November 5002 Tango, fly heading 070, it's going to be a vector for the right downwind.
070 for Cherokee 02 Tango.
10 miles from the airport.
November 5002 Tango, turn right heading 090.
Right turn 090, Cherokee 02 Tango.
Okay, so here's the lake. Remember the name of the platform? Oh. So here's a runway right here.
That's a 4 Yankee Mike, contact tower 120.3 every day.
Over to tower.
Let me get on heading first before I start looking out the one. Oh yeah, I see it. So that's got to be the 1028 runway.
Yeah. How come this is not pointing at it? I'm confused. And that's also one runway, and then of course there's two at Syracuse.
So should we start coming down and just ask him,
Yeah.
sorry, to just start our descent?
Yeah.
Alright. Approach Cherokee 5002 Tango, we are right to start our descent.
Cherokee 02 Tango, be afraid to say your discretion. Let's turn back left heading 080.
Alright, back to left turn 080 and descent altitude our discretion, Cherokee 02 Tango.
Cherokee 02 Tango, contact tower 120.3 and wrap down wind for runway 28.
What did he say? Say again for Cherokee 02 Tango.
Tango approach.
What he said contact tower, but I didn't. Say again for Cherokee 02 Tango.
Cherokee 02 Tango, enter right downwind for runway 28, contact tower 120.3.
Right downwind for 28 and over to tower 120.3, Cherokee 02 Tango.
4877, proceed direct Dimes, contact Cleveland Center.
Okay.
I got the tower. I missed his right downwind.
Yeah, I didn't understand what he said there, so I can probably, yeah. Should we do a long down? Let me contact tower, I guess, first.
Yeah, I would contact tower.
Syracuse Tower, Cherokee 5002 Tango, 2,300 descending.
And 4 Yankee Mike, you can start your base, 1020 at 6, runway 28. Cleared for the option.
Clear for the option, 4 Yankee Mike, turning base now. Thanks.
5002 Tango, Syracuse Tower, 1020 at 6, runway 28. Cleared to land, and your number 2 for the field, following traffic of a Cessna, turning a 2-mile left base to final.
Cleared to land, 28, number 2, and looking for traffic, Cherokee 02 Tango. That's the end of our runway right there, right?
And 02 Tango, do you have the traffic turning final?
Traffic's are 2 o'clock, correct?
That's right, yeah, that's him on turning a mile and a half final. Now follow that traffic. And again, runway 28, clear to land for 02 Tango.
Roger, traffic inside, clear to land 28, behind the landing traffic, number 2, Cherokee 02 Tango.
You got a nice view of the surface here. This is really spoiling you for nighttime landings.
Yeah.
And probably leave a little bit of power in, do like a soft field landing here at night.
Number 4609, ground, runway 28, taxi via Delta Mike, hold short of Sierra.
Than I was expecting.
Yeah. That's why I'm surprised they didn't put us on 3-3.
November 02 Tango, you parking at Millionaire?
You just tell them we're going back.
Yeah.
We'd like to just depart back out if that's all right. We can go park somewhere if you need us to get clearance.
Alright, I had a couple of frequency. For 02 Tango, just continue down the runway, no delay down the runway, make a right turn at Whiskey for me.
Alright, continue down the runway and right turn on Whiskey, Cherokee 02 Tango.
taxiway Alpha and hold short of Mike.
Right on Alpha, hold short of Mike, Cherokee 02 Tango.
Ever 02 Tango, where are you headed on the Alpha?
We're going to be going to 0 Golf 7 at 3000, 02 Tango.
Roger that, I'll have a Alpha VFR clearance for you just a second. Limerick 4609, continue straight ahead, Mike Alpha, cross runway 33.
Hold short of Mike, that's up here. Okay, I see it. Okay, we got a
Delta 2004, you're going to follow the RJ off the right there to runway 28. See him there?
Oh, big guy there. All right, trim. Back to takeoff.
T-Mod 6103, turn right at Whiskey, text to the ramp, Alpha Echo, this frequency.
Right at Whiskey, Alpha Echo to the ramp, this frequency, P-Mod 6103, good night.
Trim, flaps.
And actually, no, 02 Tango, contact clearance on 125.05 for the Alpha.
Dude. All right, we'll go over to clearance, Cherokee 02 Tango.
Cobra 01, Syracuse Tower, 102.0 at 5, runway 28, clear to land. 28, clear to land, Cobra 01 is 9 miles east of the field, thank you.
Boost pump is on. Make sure it's full rich. Fuel is on the left tank, but we can check and see if we need to switch that.
We're good.
We're good?
Yep.
Okay. You got your timer set?
Yep. And we need to close our flight plan.
Yep. Just trying to make, we got like 9,000 things happening.
Yeah.
And I know we have to switch over to clearance, but, and I don't want to go past Mike.
Yep. We still got a ways
to be released at the end. ExecJet 668, you guys, you have the engines turned up, ready to go?
We are starting them now.
You want to see, go ahead.
Roger. Trying to close the flight plan.
Yep.
Blue Streak 5099, tower, the wind 020 at 5, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
Runway 28, we're clear for takeoff, Blue Streak 5099.
And we're 5002 Tango.
Cherokee 5002 Tango.
Yes, sir. Clearance was looking for you on 125.05 for the outbound clearance.
Yeah, we'll switch over there right now for Cherokee 02 Tango. 125.05.
Yep.
Oh, so many things. Syracuse clearance, Cherokee 5002 Tango.
Cherokee 5002 Tango, Syracuse clearance, good evening. Maintain VFR at or below 3,000 within 5 miles of Syracuse Airport. Departure frequency 126.12, squawk 5325, 5325.
Alright, we'll maintain VFR at or below 3,000 within 5 miles of the airport. Departure frequency 126.12 and squawk is 5325, Cherokee 02 Tango.
Cherokee 02 Tango, read back is correct. Good flight, and you can contact tower on 120.3.
Alright, we'll go back to tower 120.3.
Okay.
Actually, tower had us holding short of Mike here. Should we go over to ground or should we go with tower?
He's working both of them, so you can contact tower.
Roger that, 02 Tango, have a good night.
You too, good night.
Alright, so this
That's
is
what I was
Mike.
thinking. That was my first thought too. We should go to ground, but then it's like, we'll probably all work in the same frequencies. So here we are, Mike. Yep.
Okay.
You can tell them we're holding short of Mike on Alpha.
Alright,
On Alpha, holding short of Mike.
Alright, we just want to change this real quick. 5325.
Yeah.
Departure frequency 126.12.
Yep.
And we're saying at or below 3,000, and I still have to close the flight plan, but
Okay.
so many things.
That is, this is pretty busy.
Yeah. I don't want them calling. And I can't see if there's anybody behind us. But
If the tower needs it, still calls.
We'll be ready in about 2 minutes.
okay.
ExecJet 668, ready?
Alright, close the flight plan. Should we file or activate the
Number
next flight plan?
4609, contact
We don't need another
Departure.
flight plan.
Departure, good day, number 4609.
We'll just leave it at that.
Yeah. I'm going to try to make 02 Tango less notorious.
Okay, then I think I'm good. We got that filed, or that closed, I mean. Now we're gonna have to worry about wake turbulence for these big guys ahead of us.
Yeah.
Another reason why
Landing and taking off.
kind of slowing down.
Yeah.
It's like chaos there for a minute. We had carbon monoxide detectors going off. They want to.
Oh, did yours go off?
Yeah, I think both of ours were going off.
Oh, I didn't hear it. I got 9 showing online.
All right. So now we can contact tower and let them know we're holding short of Mike. We're on Alpha, holding short of Mike.
Exactly. Yep.
Syracuse Tower, Cherokee 5002 Tango, holding short of Mike at Alpha.
5002 Tango, continue taxi via Alpha, cross runway 33.
Continue on Alpha, cross 33, Cherokee 02 Tango.
Cobra 01, turn left at Juliet and taxi to the ramp, this frequency, we go on. Left Juliet, this frequency, back to the ramp, Cobra 01.
Syracuse Tower, Delta 2140, holding short 28 at Alpha.
So 2140 Tower, roger, hold short, you'll be number 2 for departure.
Delta 2140, hold short, number 2.
And we're going to pick up a
Tower, Apex 01 is
radio off the Syracuse VOR.
Apex 01, Syracuse
Yes.
Tower, 1020 at 4, runway 28, clear to land.
What was our frequency?
28, clear to land, Apex 01.
117.0, I think. 117.0, so.
Exec 668, Tower 1020 at 4, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff, 28, exec jet 668.
And what radio did you want to intercept?
248.
Okay.
Here's runway 15. We're allowed to cross this.
Yep, we got clearance to cross.
And so we want the 248 radio. It should be about here.
Yep. Very good.
Crossing the runway, nobody's coming at us. That's always good news.
Yeah.
Delta 2040 traffic's MK9 Reaper, 3 mile final, 1020 at 4, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
Delta 2140, runway 28, we'll go ahead and wait for him to land.
Oh, smart.
Roger, that's 3 out, Delta 2040 hold short of runway 28, cancel takeoff plans.
Delta 2140, cancel takeoff clearance.
So here's a question. If we're going to be behind one of these big guys, how...
Exec 668, channel setting 150, and contact departure, everyone.
I imagine...
150 departure, exec jet 668.
Can't get a word in. I imagine we don't want to be right behind his engines.
We'll make it as quick as we can.
We just want to take off well before they roll, before they rotate.
I just mean for the taxi part, like...
Oh, for the next, yeah, you can stop right here.
Yeah.
I wouldn't get real close to them. There's no reason to get real close.
Gotcha. We'll just stop here and wait.
Yeah.
And then maybe I can breathe for half a second.
Yeah.
Because that was chaos.
You handled it very well.
Like, oh my goodness. And then he's like, they're getting impatient. They're like, clearance is waiting for you. I'm like, well, I still got my flaps are up.
Yeah.
They're trying to work my flashlight. Let's just double check everything. Trim is good. Flaps are up. Those are the 2 most important things.
Yeah.
Our boost pump is on. Our mixture's full of rich.
Mixture's full of it. That's important.
Primer's in and locked. Fuel's on the left tank. Got our landing light, our strobes, our new squawk code. How about weather while we're sitting here? Weather for 0 Golf 7, which is 120.
That's a great idea. Think about that.
Guess we don't need Syracuse weather anymore.
Yeah, we're done with them.
0.0, so we'll have that ready.
It's a pretty big Delta jet here.
Yeah.
I suppose if we were JFK, we might not say that, but Syracuse is pretty big.
So we got to kind of pay attention to where he takes off from.
Yep.
Although he should take off much further down the runway than we do.
Exactly.
Although he probably climbs faster than we do.
Yeah.
So.
Cherokee 5002 Tango, tower 102 at 4, runway 28, clear for takeoff, proceed on course.
Runway 28, cleared for takeoff and proceed on course. Cherokee 5002 Tango.
November 02 Tango, contact departure. Have a good night.
Order departure, Cherokee 02 Tango. Have a good night.